Troubleshoot and repair of Westinghouse tankless water heater, model HT382E75. When plugged in, we are getting an E1 error and an inaccurate reading on the outlet temperature. Another observation is no mesh filter at the inlet, which caused a lot of junk to enter the flow sensor. This is the main cause of a seized-up flow sensor. We determined that the outlet temperature sensor and flow sensor are defective. We have a compatible temperature sensor and flow sensor for this unit. This is to test and ensure that the unit operates properly.
The bar not showing a wrong reading on the output. That reading is the hot water side. The current reading. The bar one was showing 99. So pretty good one. I just gonna show that with cotton.
We tried soaking the flow sensor overnight to try to get the turbine to move freely, but it was to no avail.
This is the turbine inside the flow sensor. I tried servicing it, but I'm not getting it to spin at all. I just trying that last thing, have it soaking, and some, what do you call it, corrosion X. See if I could break down the binding agents that prevent it from turning. Alright, so these are the two original adapters for the water heater, right? You established that the flow sensor was bad and the temperature sensor on this side was bad, which is this one here. So what we did, we take the temperature sensor from this side and put it on this side, but when you was checking the reading on it, the reading wasn't matching for the original sensor that's supposed to be on the left side. So we use this adapter instead. But you need to get a specific value to get the board to read the correct temperature of the hot water, right? Just already had the same jack, so it was just a jack in, and then this is the new flow sensor that we bought. Right, the sensor it came with, the adapter, the jack was different, so we had to splice in. The original jack. As you can see, we cut out this cable here, and then for the flow sensor itself, we had to replace the jack as well. Right, we take the original jack from this and swap it on this one, and everything working good. As you could see from the video, is just originally when I got the water heater, it was missing a mesh here. Right, this is to protect the flow sensor and inside the water heater from getting like big deposits and things that could wedge the flow sensor and also clog up the system. So I believe that is mainly the cause that the original flow sensor to go bad. So I just had to find a way to secure this mesh inside here and make it removable as well.
Westinghouse water heater ready to return to our client with inlet mesh installed. We lost the water test video of this water heater due to technical difficulties, but we have another water test video of this same model unit for another client if you watch till the end.
Right, so we successfully replaced the flow sensor, because that flow sensor temperature sensor combination. Right, the unit powered on, set to 52 degrees. When it hottens, you will see the shower head start to spray. You set it to 52 degrees. Right, you monitor any temperature on the hot side here. Right. 36 degrees right now, there's the ambient temperature, the air temperature. Right. Start down with blue water and see what happens. Nice, it's hot right now. Very medium quality. And the outside here.
Another successful troubleshoot and repair by MAV Electrical Services. Like, share and follow for more videos.